Colteen, a global leader in developing, manufacturing, and selling consumables and small-size equipment for dental treatment applications, is excited to bring you BRILLIANT Crios. BRILLIANT Crios is a reinforced composite block for fabricating aesthetic permanent restorations using a CAD/CAM grinding process. With BRILLIANT Crios, the material that has long been the gold standard in direct filling therapy now enters indirect CAD/CAM restoration technology. The result is high performance made brilliant. Compared to ceramic-based materials, BRILLIANT Crios offers considerable advantages for permanent restorations. For example, one of the frustrations many doctors feel when working with ceramics is the material's tendency to chip. BRILLIANT Crios eliminates this problem, making grinding without chipping possible. This means you can create restorations with extremely thin margins for a more accurate fit. Even after the point where ceramic materials have already started to chip, the reinforced composite in BRILLIANT Crios will still be intact. This image shows the results of ground wedges with tapered tips. See how other materials start chipping while BRILLIANT Crios does not? A look through the microscope further illustrates the differences between composite and ceramic blocks. Here, BRILLIANT Crios and Lava Ultimate, another composite, display the exact grinding stages, while ceramic does not. This suggests that the composite materials are less brittle than the ceramics, one of the reasons why they are so much less prone to chipping. Of course, grinding without chipping is not the only handling advantage. With BRILLIANT Crios, you'll enjoy a rapid fabrication process with absolutely no firing required. You'll be able to polish the restoration quickly and effortlessly, using your choice of a variety of polishing systems. And if the restoration requires modification, you'll be able to address the issue using the same techniques you would use with traditional composites. With any restoration, strength and durability are always key factors. As a result of its controlled, stress-free thermal curing, BRILLIANT Crios offers outstanding mechanical properties. As this chart shows, BRILLIANT Crios achieves a very high 3-point flexural strength, even higher than well-established ceramic-based materials. This toughness suggests that the material has very few faults. The low number of faults reduces the risk of fractures because, as you have no doubt seen in practice, faults are often the starting point of fractures. Measurements of biaxial flexural strength further demonstrate the high strength of BRILLIANT Crios. The composite material's compact structure increases its resistance and therefore reduces the risk of fracture. Another important characteristic of BRILLIANT Crios is its dentin-like modulus of elasticity, which creates a shock-absorbing effect. By reducing stress peaks during chewing, BRILLIANT Crios gives you a lower risk of material fatigue and less stress transmission to protect the masticatory system. In addition, BRILLIANT Crios is very gentle on the opposite tooth. In fact, as illustrated in this two-body wear chart, studies have confirmed that the reinforced composite combines the type of excellent wear resistance that you would expect from glass ceramic with a low abrasion value, so that the wear on the opposing tooth is similar to the impact of enamel. This makes the restoration especially kind to the antagonist tooth in comparison to ceramic restorations. As you know, in day-to-day use, an indirect restoration is only as good as its bonding. After all, a restoration that falls out while the patient is eating dinner is not going to make anyone happy. BRILLIANT Crios has a reliable luting system based on the use of 1-Coat-7 Universal, a light-curing one-component universal adhesive. BRILLIANT Crios was designed so that the monomers contained in 1-Coat-7 Universal will penetrate into the polymerized resin matrix of the restoration. As a result, there is a high chemical bonding by chain formations, hydrogen bonds between the resin matrix and the adhesive, augmented by a mechanical bonding through the generation of so-called interloopings. If you accurately follow the protocol for bonding, you'll achieve a strong anchorage and reliable adhesion. BRILLIANT Crios is an ideal choice for single-tooth restorations in both the anterior and posterior regions. Available in 2 sizes, you can use these composite blocks for all conventional indications, including inlays, onlays, crowns, and veneers. Thanks to the shock-absorbing effect created by the material's dentin-like modulus of elasticity, BRILLIANT Crios is particularly well suited for implant-supported crowns, as well as for patients who grind their teeth. Whatever the application, BRILLIANT Crios' chameleon-like properties makes it blend in well to provide attractive, natural-looking aesthetics with a glossy result. A broad spectrum of 13 shades in 2 translucencies perfectly covers all of your needs. Designed for permanent aesthetic restorations, BRILLIANT Crios brings the advantages of a composite to a CAD/CAM material. With BRILLIANT Crios, you'll get highly accurate grinding precision, secure bonding, effortless polishing, a shock-absorbing effect to reduce stress transmission, and the natural-looking aesthetics and high flexural strength that permanent restorations require. It's just the type of high-quality solution that you've come to expect from Coltine.